Hi, my name is Arif Vakil. I'm a coach and master trainer of the GTD methodology. Has it ever happened to you? Say you're meeting someone. It could be somebody at work or it could be a friend. And you realize that there's something that you need to discuss with that person. But for the life of you, you just can't remember what that point is. You are consumed by anxiety that darn, you're going to miss discussing something important. Has that ever happened to you? If it has, we recommend that you use an agenda list as part of your GTD practice. It is a list that I use very frequently. In fact, senior executives who I've coached in the GTD methodology find tremendous value in just having a complete and current agenda list. Now, here are some of my personal best practices when it comes to using an agenda list. Firstly, whatever you have to discuss, ensure that it is captured and is eventually entered into your agenda list. Your mind will tell you, no, don't worry, you're going to remember it. Don't fall for that. No matter how confident you are that you are going to remember that when you meet that person next, ensure that you write it down and eventually ensure that it enters your agenda list. Therefore, whenever I have something to discuss, whether it be at somebody at work or my father or my brother or my wife, it doesn't matter. I ensure that it eventually reaches my agenda list. And in case I miss that out, I am once again consumed by that anxiety that there's something I need to discuss and I don't know what that is. Secondly, I have a separate agenda list for each person I meet frequently. So since I work with my father and my brother, I have an agenda list for my father and an agenda list with my brother. And each of these can have several points that I have to discuss with them. Next, have a common agenda list for everyone else. Now, if I just have 1 or 2 points to discuss with someone, I don't have a separate agenda list for that. I put all of those into a common agenda list. Now, here's a pro tip. Within that list, as you enter a point to discuss with someone, always start with the person's name. That way, if you are using a digital tool, it will ensure that all of those points are grouped together. Hence, when you do meet that person, you can knock off several points with just one discussion. Finally, I keep a separate list for the meetings that I attend. I attend several meetings on a regular basis. These are pre-scheduled meetings with my sales team, with my operations team, with the school that I'm part of, with my YouTube team. For these meetings, I keep one general list. But once again, I use this pro tip. Within that list, when I make an entry, I begin that entry with the meeting name. So it is Bravo meeting, so-and-so point. School meeting, so-and-so point. Hence, when I'm at the Bravo meeting or I'm at a school meeting, all those points are grouped together. Therefore, I can discuss all of those points within just that one meeting. And I don't have to go hunting down that list for where those points are buried. As a result of following these best practices, I'm relaxed because everything important to discuss, in fact, everything to discuss has been captured out of my head and into my agenda list. I'm in control and I'm focused at the meeting. Best of all, there are times I have no idea that there is something that I need to discuss with someone. Out of sheer habit, I look at my list. And because I do, I'm able to move forward on some really key project. And it feels so awesome when that happens. Because if I didn't, the project would have stalled. But instead, I made solid progress. Did any of these resonate with you? Do you have any questions? Please go ahead, share your thoughts in the comments below. Meanwhile, if you found this useful, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you at our next video. Take care. Goodbye.